morning students. So in the previous class we discussed conjunctions, types of conjunctions and the first type, coordinating conjunctions. So in today's session let us discuss about the second type, that is subordinating conjunctions. What are subordinating conjunctions and how the subordinating conjunctions are used in a sentence? Let us see now. So listen first. Subordinating conjunctions connects words, phrases or clauses that are independent or equal using. What are the subordinating conjunctions? Which are used to connect words, phrases or clauses in a sentence using first one after, before, since, once, until, how, when, where, why, although, because, if, unless or whether. Okay, these all are called subordinating conjunctions and these are used to connect words, phrases or clauses in a sentence. See, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There are 14 subordinating conjunctions and let us discuss each and every one separately how these subordinating conjunctions are used in a sentence. Okay? See. First one is after. How the after subordinating conjunction is used in a sentence. See. After is used at the situation when we used to indicate later than the time that. Means after some time means, after means later than the time means, for example, if the action is finished, after this action, if one more action is going to be done, at this type of situations after is used. See, look at the examples. I will pick you up after the concert. Means after the completion of this concert, I will pick you up. Means later than that means in future. Okay? After completion of this work, I will pick you up. Look at the second example. I will have sweet after dinner. Means dinner का बाद में मैं sweet खाऊंगा. Like this, okay? Means I will have sweet after dinner. When we used to indicate the actions which are to be done after some actions. Means एक action का बाद में और एक action करना है तो इसी समय में हम after का प्रयोग करते हैं. Okay? Next. Second one, use of before. Okay? How before is used in a sentence. See, before is quite opposite to after. After is used to indicate actions which are in future, which are to be done in future, like बाद में. And before एक action का पहले और एक action करना है. इस situation में we use before. See now. Before is used earlier than the time. After is used later than the time. Before is used earlier than the time. See examples. First one. I need to wash the dishes before my wife gets home. Means before this action, I need to do this action. Okay? See, I need to wash the dishes before my wife gets home. If we write here in place of before after, then it will be wrong. See, I need to wash the dishes after my wife gets home. It means the total meaning will become differently. Yes sir? So here before means एक action का पहले और एक action करना है ना. इस situation में we use before. Look at the second example. I have to clean the house before my parents arrive. Means house को clean करना है parents आने के पहले. Okay? So at this type of situations we use before as a subordinating conjunction. Okay? Next. Use of once. how once is used in sentence. Once is used at the moment when. Means, for example, if we want to indicate one movement that happened in past or that will happen in future, okay, at a particular moment. Once means at a particular moment. Let us discuss the examples, then you will understand clearly. See, call me once you arrive. Call me once you arrive means, once you arrive means if you arrive, then just call me. Okay, so in this type of situations we use once. Okay, we can start eating once our guests arrive. Means once our guests arrive means if our guests arrive, we can start eating. Okay, at this type of situations once is used. Try to write one more or two more examples using once. Okay, let us do. Next one, since. How the subordinating conjunction since is used in sentences. See, since means from the time when, means to indicate the starting point of a time. Let us discuss with examples. First, I have not seen her since the party. Means when the party was started, from that time I have not seen her. Okay, I have not seen her since the party. Okay, in this type of situations we use since. Look at this example now. Since he graduated, he has been doing nothing. Since he graduated means since he completed his degree, he has been doing nothing. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं कर. Okay, so at the time from his degree, completion of his degree, he was doing nothing. Okay, to indicate these type of situations we use since. Next, until. How until is used in a sentence as a subordinating conjunction? Let us discuss now. Until means up to the time that. Up to the time means when we want to indicate a time up to certain action or certain point of time, then we use until. Let us see in examples. We cannot eat until everyone gets here. मतलब सारे आने, I don't know just how to explain in Hindi. Just let us explain in English. We cannot eat means we cannot have food until everyone gets here. Means everyone has to come here, then only we are ready to have our foods. Otherwise we cannot have. So we cannot eat until everyone gets here. At this type of situation we use until. Means up to the time everyone gets here, we cannot eat. Okay. Next, second example. Don't go anywhere until I come back. Means don't go anywhere up to the time I come back. Okay. After I came back, then you are free to go anywhere. So to indicate this type of expressions we use until as a subordinating conjunction. Okay. Next, use of how. How this subordinating conjunction is used in a sentence. How means to tell the way that it is did, means that it was done. See, how, the way in which, see, you will not understand directly by using this. If you look at the examples, then you will be clear how this subordinating conjunction is used in a sentence. See, I don't know how to use this machine. Means मेरे को पता नहीं ये machine कैसे use करना. I don't know the way in which, means how to use this machine. In which way we have to use this machine, I don't know. So how means the way in which. Look at the second example now. Can you show me how you fixed the computer? Means, can you show me in which way you fixed this computer? Means to tell the process of something, process of doing some action, we use how in a sentences. Okay? To explain the process or to know the process, how it is done, we use how. Okay? Next, when. How this when is used in sentences? Let us see. When means it indicates time. Yes or no? Yet that time. To ask at what time the action is done, we use when. Okay? See, look at the examples now. The baby started crying when the movie started. Means when the movie started, the baby started crying. Movie start होने के बाद से the baby started crying. Okay? So at this type of situations we use when. At the time the movie started, the baby started crying. Understand? Next, look at the second example now. When I came in the room, everyone looked at me. At that particular time when I entered the room, everyone looked at me. Okay? सब मेरे तरफ दिख रहे हैं. At this type of situations we use when. Next, where. Okay? How where is used in sentences? As a subordinate connections, let us see now. Where means it indicates place. When means it indicates time. See, where means in the place. See, look at the examples now. He did not tell anyone where he was going. Means he didn't tell anyone in the place he was going. Means to which place he was going, he did not say to anyone. Okay? So to explain these type of expressions or to indicate this type of situations, we use where as a subordinate conjunction. Okay? Next, please tell me where you are going. Means to which place you are going, please tell me. Okay? To express this type of expressions, we use where. Understand? Next one is while. How the while is used in a sentences. Let us discuss now. See, while means during the time. While means the time when the action is going on. Okay? Continuous action. While indicates when the action is going on in a continuous way. For example, while I am teaching, he has talked to his friend. While I am teaching, he talked to his friend. So when the action is going on, then we use while. During the time means when the action is going on, then we use while. Okay? Next, see, look at the examples now. She left while I was on the phone. Matlab, when I was talking on phone, she left. She left the house while I was on the phone. While this action was going on, this action was done. Okay? To indicate a continuous action, if one action is done, then we use while. Look at the second example. Someone called me while you were at the meeting. It means at the time you were in a meeting, someone called me. So to indicate these type of situations, when some other action was going on or when some other action is going on. He smiled at me while I was talking to him. Okay? So at this type of situations we use while. Okay? Next, although. Use of although. What is the meaning of although first? Although means in spite of the fact that. In spite of the fact means, for example, let us say we will go out although if it rains. For example, see, if you look at this example, you will understand clearly. She came to school although she felt sick. means actually she felt sick. She felt ill means she was not in a good condition of health. Still she came to school means in spite of the fact means even though she felt sick, she came to school. Next, look at the second example. Although my mom told me to come home early, I woke up late. Means, here his mom told him to come home early. That was the fact. Means that is true. Still, he woke up late. Means when something is there, then the action should not be done according to it. But here, if the action done opposite to this action, then we use argue. See, she came to school. Here, if she felt sick, no need to come to school, yes sir. But she came. So, when the action done opposite to this action, then we use argue. Okay? When his mom told him to come early, he has to wake up early, yes sir. But he woke up late. So here, at this type of situations, we use argue. Next, because. You know very well why do we use because. Still, let us explain with examples. Because, for the reason that means to tell the reason or to show the reason for the action that you have done. Okay, we use because. Examples: because he was smart and worked hard, he was able to make a lot of money. Means this is the reason for this result. Okay, because he was smart and worked hard, means he is very talented as well as he is very hard working. So he can make a lot of money. Yes sir. So that is why he was able to make a lot of money. To tell the reason, we use because. Look at the second example now. They stopped building the house. Why? Because they don't have money. Okay? This is the reason behind this action. They stopped building the house because they don't have money. Okay? So to tell the reason behind some other action, then we use because as a subordinating conjunction. Okay? Next, use of if. When do we use if as a subordinating conjunction? See, if means in the event that. Means in the event that means you will not understand by seeing this meaning. So look at the example, then you will understand clearly. If it is sunny tomorrow, we can go to the beach. Means in the event that, means if something is possible, that is, this is just an imaginary action. Yes sir. We don't know whether it is sunny or not. But if this happens in the future, means if something is happened in the future or if something had to be happened in past, means if indicates an imaginary action, then some action will be done depends on the first action, the primary action. Okay. See, look at the example. Don't think too much. You know very well how the if is used in the sentences. See, if it is sunny tomorrow, we can go to the beach. Second one, if I get first rank, I will give party. Means this is not happened yet. But if this is happened, then this will be done. Yes sir. So if I get first rank, I will give party. So this action depends on this action and which is imaginary. Means which is just we can call it as an imaginary action which is not happened, just we are assuming it. Okay. Next, look at this one. This action should be means to be done. If this action means if this happens, then this will be done. Okay. In these cases we use if. Okay. Next, whether. how whether is used in sentences. See, whether means if it is true or not, means this is also like if, but here whatever the action happens as imaginary, whether it is true or not, but we will do this one. See, look at the examples. We will have a picnic whether it rains or not. Matlab, if it is rains or not, that doesn't affect our action. Means whether it rains or not, but we will definitely have a picnic. Okay. Next, it is time to decide whether we should go out. Means this is the time to decide whether we should go out or not. Okay. To indicate this type of expressions, we use whether. Next. Okay, these are subordinating conjunctions. I hope you understood very well. And tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining two types of conjunctions. Those are correlative as well as conjunctive adverbs. Okay, thank you.